Hello, everyone. Welcome to this trading day. I have to work on the introduction. Obviously, I have a really nice introduction in Spanish. It's a joke. It's very funny, but um, we're gonna do this in English now. We're gonna make videos in Spanish and English, and I'm gonna start sharing my strategy with you guys. And we're gonna talk about Primero Trader. Primero Trader. So yesterday we have a special club within the community, and I told them buy Microsoft yesterday, and that one's paying off. But basically, we're gonna start doing what we do in the morning. So this is the Primero Trader platform. We're gonna get the scanner out, and we're gonna start making our analysis. We have a few minutes before the market opens, and we're gonna make some trades. So currently the platform, it's a scanner real time to find the best opportunities, and it is a simulator for you guys right now. We're working on connecting it to real money transactions. That's our 2025 project, and we're working really hard on that. Some of my transactions are real money, and some of the transactions are simulated because we're testing the process. So the focus is not how much money you make or whatever. It's how you understand trading and how you make trades the right way. How do you flow within the market? So, and also understanding how to read multiple time frames. That's one of the keys that have worked for me for 14 years in the market. So basically, I have the scanner here. I have my multi-graph, multi-chart here, and everything is connected. So if I go here, I press connect. If I go here, I press connect. And let's say I'm gonna go look for my small cap scan. So I open that. This is the yesterday's scanner. So the scanner right now, this is what's popping up from yesterday. This is our pre-market scanner. So if I go and press there, everything updates automatically into all the charts. So, and you have multiple connections. So if you see a number here, these are like the coordinates where you can connect multiple scanners to multiple charts for different interactions. So with that said, we open the pre-market, and we're gonna open our volatility scanner, and we're gonna make this bigger because we need that information. A little bit more. Okay, we're gonna leave it there. All right, so with that said, there's multiple tools here within the studies here. We have SMAs, RSIs, WMAs, BWAPs. So this is what I use to analyze, and I have been using this for 14. No, I started using this within the 14 years, not since the 14 years. I went and added multiple different indicators. I took them out. I tried multiple things, and basically I ended up with this simple moving averages, BWAPs, RSIs, and or ORB that I started using very recently as a point of reference. And we're gonna add percentage lines because we're gonna talk about percentage lines, and we're gonna downgrade so it doesn't affect our view. So basically, what percentage lines do, they measure the gap. So the gap, as soon as the market opens, it's gonna start measuring the gap, and there's a strategy based on pullbacks on the gaps and all that, and all those details we get into within the community of Primero Trader. So again, if you guys want to join and want to be part of that, then we can talk more about that. So right now, BLBX is one of the stocks that are making really good movements right now. We're gonna test what's making it. Black Box Stocks Inc. secures financing of up to 2 million in anticipation of potential merger. Okay, so I like those catalysts. It's catalyst, I believe, in English. And you're also gonna learn some Spanglish, so be ready for that. We're gonna so that's pretty good because it's giving you a number, an actual number, and it will impact the market cap of the company because of that number. So BLBX, it's interesting. I want to see if it's in here already. No, it's not. Is it pulling up here? No. So BLBX is interesting. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get another chart here, and I'll show you a very cool thing here. Give me a... Okay, so we're gonna leave that there for a little bit, and we're gonna go and look for another. Um, I don't trade below $3. That's my bottom $3. I don't go below that. So if you see one here that's under $3, it looks pretty good, but I do not care. I don't have good experiences under $3, so basically I decided to not trade anything before below $3. I usually watch them if they're doing really good movements, like at 280 to 90, and it's gonna break $3. Then I will trade that if it gets over $3. But yeah, that's one of my rules. No trades under $3. TBI, it's just making one move right now. All you need to know about TBI. So there's no real news or breaking news right now on TBI, but it's making a move, and just started right now. It's making the move right now. So we're 3 minutes away. So what I want to show you here is that you can do a comparison here of stocks that you want to track during the day. And what you do here, 1 minute, you can do multiple or different time frames, but we're going to use 1 minute, and we use previous intraday. So basically what that does, it tracks the change from the previous day to current, and it will give you the percentage change. So in a visual way, when you see the movement when the market opens, you can start seeing which one is making the best move and which one is pulling back or something like that. It gives you a better look of the movement. So I don't have room. I'm gonna put it right here, and I'll bring it back when the market opens. And that's it, guys. I mean, I don't see anything else that gets my attention. Obviously, there's quite a bit below $3, but again, I follow my rules. I don't trade below $3. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. It's gonna be one of those days. It's gonna be one of those days. We might end up going to the SPY, but we'll see. We'll see. 1 minute to open, or we might use just the volatility scanner. It's giving me PDYN, but PDYN, yeah, PDYN. What's a float? 19 million. 19 million. It's a pretty decent float. It's a decent float. 19 million. So we have done trades there before, so there's potential here. We're gonna do that, and then the blue line, and if it gets over, then we'll continue to. But one of the things that you want to keep in mind for anything below $10, $10 tends to be a huge resistance. So below $10, that can be like a target. That can be an actual target. So the market just opened, and we are gonna see. Well, here's what I was talking about. So we can see BLBX and TBI pulling back. If we have more, then this is where you can go and get them. But Okay. So I usually let the first minute go, just to get a better understanding of what could happen. So that one just broke. Let's see. Let's see. It broke the high of the pre-market. So that's a really good entrance. If it goes below the high of the pre-market, we get out. It has broken $10, so that's pretty good. And let's say if it gets to that blue line that I mark over there. Come on, buddy boy. Come on, buddy boy. One more. Okay. One more push. I'm looking at the chart here, and the reason I'm not letting going up, BLBX went down. So there's not another good stock that's pulling all the volume from this one. We're gonna start getting out of here. We're gonna liquidate one. One more push. 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 Come on. It's taking too long to break that area. We get out 2. And we get out 3. So it broke that area, but the separation between it's still doing the break after that. Let's see. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. It didn't give me a pullback. Come on, breakout. So it's going to that second target. Come on. If it goes below my entry point right now, I'll get up. It needs to break. Oh, we're out. We're gonna wait for a pullback here. So what I was talking about, this one went down, and it was the other potential trade that we had on the radar. So not good for. Might be doing a good. Let's go check it out. No, this one. It's a 25% pullback. Let's try the strategy here. So anything between those targets, the 25%ers, it's a good point of reference to get into a trade. I'm probably not gonna go break the high of the day, but it's a good point, good risk rewards area with those blocks of 25%ers. And we can talk about that more. So PDYN, I'm gonna add PDYN over here, PDYN, so I can continue tracking that. So I have PDYN there, and it's pulling back, and BLBX is making a move. It's taking too long, bro. Come on. Getting text messages. It's the worst, getting text messages when you're trading. Okay. So BWAP might be a good point of reference. Let's see if it gets there. If it breaks, then that's a good new place to put your risk. I'm gonna start getting out. No, I didn't like that one open below. Let's get out. $290, man. That's good. That's good. And as you see here on volatility, it's letting you know. And I saw PDYN was making a move there, but it hasn't broken. So the trend that we have seen lately. Let's see if this one breaks. Ah, come on. And this is where you start flowing within the market, guys. I mean, we have an idea. Come on, 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 come on. Oh, volatility, bro. Slippage. Shoot. I thought I was gonna be able to press and it was gonna do the pop. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. I mean, you gotta be fast. Where are you going? PDYN, PDYN. So that might be it, guys. That might be it. I mean, the next area will be probably here. No, there's one here. There's one there. Really good there. Indecision. Let's see if it gets to that blue one. We're far from the 9 moving average. Let's see. I might be playing with fire right now. Out there. There. And this is where it gets interesting, guys. How do you flow within the trade? How do you let's see. Come on, buddy boy. Okay. This is where you start getting in. And it's pulling back all the way, or let's see. So we use the pullbacks to create a big position with the obviously with the hope that we're gonna get a bounce. We're 35 cents away from our target or our breaking point, so break even, I mean. We go back to the 5 minutes, and the 9 moving average hasn't been broken, so we're still bullish. And this is where you start analyzing the multiple time frames, and you start understanding what can go right, what can go wrong. So the one that's making a little movements is BLBX, but not. Okay. So that 50% pullback from the bottom of from the close of the previous day to the next day, 50%, that's a really good area to get in. Let's see if it gives us a bounce. Our average is 1044. The only thing I don't like on this trade is that we got below $10, but it's part of the game. Give me a quick second. All right, so it's making the move there. It's making the move. It's making the move. 25. So the blocks, the 50s, the 75, those are resistance and support areas that within the day. And as you can tell, it got to that, and it got a pullback. That might have been my area to get out, but we'll see if it breaks. It tries to go probably 1083. We're gonna start getting off our, because we have a big position. Gonna start liquidating there. I have my programmers on the other line here. So we're having issues there. We're having issues there. They notice someone's liquidating. Another thing that you can do here, if obviously if you believe in trend lines, I believe in trend lines, but there's quite a bit of people that don't believe in trend. I don't know why, but that's another story. I know I have really bad jokes. I have really bad jokes. That's part of it. If you wanna learn my strategy, then yeah. And I'll show you why I liquidated that area, or quite a bit of my position within that area. I believe in taking profit below resistance and letting a little bit run after if it breaks, but I don't want to be caught in a fake out or a break and then a pullback, a very aggressive pullback. So I prefer to get some profits and then start liquidating while it's moving up for the rest of the position. BLBX is still moving and it's moving up. So I've been watching this since we've been talking here. So that I always keep an eye on that chart to see. Oof, 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 oof. I don't like that. We're going to start getting out. If that turns red, I get out completely. If that turns red, I get out. And put it there. Wait. I'm out. That's it. All right, guys. So 48. It's 18 minutes within from the open till now. 48 minutes. 18 minutes. I mean. And that's our result, guys. That's our result. I hope it makes sense. Obviously, if it's your first time watching someone trade, or if you have a different idea of how trading works, then this is gonna be kind of in your face, and you're gonna be, that doesn't work, and it has worked. I've been trading for 14 years, and this is how I do it, how I float. And if you want to learn more, you can join the community. Obviously, as soon as we start getting more people in English or speak English within the community, we'll start making some content, special content for them. But what I want to focus on is the scanner. We were able to find the two that we traded within the scanner, and we were able to track them within the scanner, the comparable chart for the percentage move. This one's still making moves, but I'm out. So I'm done for the day. Have a great day. Have a great rest of the day, and that's the result, guys. So. Peace. I'll start working on my entrance and exit for the videos. Still moving. I want to get in. No, I'm out. Bye.